The blueprint of effective training. A session plan is a detailed roadmap that outlines the course of a training session. It's a trainer's guide to delivering a well-structured and effective learning experience. Just as an architect relies on blueprints to construct a building, trainers depend on session plans to build engaging and impactful training sessions. A well-crafted session plan ensures that the training is aligned with learning objectives. It provides a clear framework for delivering content, engaging learners, and assessing understanding. A session plan is an essential tool for any trainer aiming to create a positive and impactful learning environment. Imagine a training session without a plan. The trainer might struggle to cover all the necessary material. Learners might feel lost and disengaged. A comprehensive session plan helps avoid these pitfalls. It provides structure, clarity, and purpose to the training process. Navigating the training landscape. For trainers, a session plan serves as a compass, guiding them through the training process. It helps them stay organized, manage time effectively, and deliver content confidently. A well-structured plan acts as a reminder of key points, activities, and timings, ensuring a smooth and efficient delivery. Session plans also equip trainers to handle learner questions and adapt to unexpected situations. By anticipating potential challenges and having backup plans, trainers can maintain control of the session and ensure a positive learning environment. Moreover, session plans facilitate consistency in training delivery, especially when multiple trainers are involved. They provide a standardized framework that ensures all trainers are on the same page, delivering the same core content and assessments. This consistency contributes to a more cohesive and effective learning experience for all participants. A roadmap to success. Learners also benefit significantly from a well-designed session plan. A clear and structured plan provides learners with a roadmap of the session, outlining learning objectives, topics to be covered, and activities they will engage in. This transparency allows learners to understand what is expected of them and how the session will unfold, reducing anxiety and fostering a sense of purpose. Engaging activities, carefully planned and integrated into the session, enhance learner participation and knowledge retention. By actively participating in the learning process, learners are more likely to internalize information and apply it in practical settings. Furthermore, a well-structured session plan ensures that the training remains focused and relevant to the learner's needs. By aligning content and activities with specific learning outcomes, trainers can maximize the value and impact of the training for each participant. Building blocks of a session plan. A comprehensive session plan includes key components. Industry sector identifies the specific industry, such as healthcare, IT, manufacturing. Unit of competency outlines the skills or knowledge learners gain. Module title provides a clear title for the module. Learning outcomes, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound statements. Introduction sets the stage with an icebreaker or introductory activity. Learning activities outlines activities, discussions, and materials. Evaluation assesses learner understanding and progress. Teacher's reflection space for the trainer to reflect on the session's effectiveness. Organizing your training material. The effectiveness of a training session hinges on the organization and delivery of the content. Trainers need to structure the content logically, ensuring a smooth flow of information from one topic to the next. Begin by identifying the key concepts and skills that need to be covered. Then, sequence these topics in a logical order, starting with foundational knowledge and progressing to more complex concepts. It's crucial to break down complex information into smaller, more manageable chunks. This makes it easier for learners to digest and retain the information. Using a variety of methods to present the information can also help keep learners engaged. This might include lectures, demonstrations, group discussions, case studies, and multimedia presentations. Engaging learners and reinforcing knowledge. Learning activities are essential for reinforcing concepts and promoting active participation. Instead of passively listening to lectures, learners need opportunities to apply their knowledge, practice new skills, and receive feedback. When designing activities, consider the different learning styles of your audience. Some learners are visual learners, while others learn best through hands-on activities or auditory input. Incorporate a variety of activities to cater to these diverse learning preferences. For example, you might use role-playing to practice communication skills in a safe environment. Case studies to analyze real-world scenarios and apply problem-solving techniques. group discussions to encourage collaboration and peer learning, quizzes and games to assess understanding and make learning more interactive. The key is to choose activities that align with the learning objectives and keep learners engaged and motivated. 8 Steps to an Effective Session Plan, a step-by-step guide. Developing an effective session plan involves a systematic approach. Here are 8 key steps to guide you. 1. Define your audience. Identify the learner's prior knowledge, skills, and learning goals. 2. Establish clear objectives. Define what you want learners to achieve by the end of the session. 3. Outline the content. Determine the key topics and subtopics to be covered. 4. Structure the session. Organize the content logically, including an introduction, main body, and conclusion. 5. Select engaging activities. Choose activities that promote active learning and reinforce key concepts. 6. Develop assessment methods. Determine how you will evaluate learner understanding and progress. 7. Gather resources. Collect all necessary materials, including handouts, presentations, and equipment. And finally, 8. Review and revise. Proofread your plan carefully and make necessary adjustments based on feedback or insights. Gagne's 9 Events of Instruction, a framework for engaging learners. Robert Gagne's 9 Events of Instruction provide a valuable framework for designing engaging and effective learning activities. 1. Gain attention. Capture learners' interest with a captivating opening activity, story, or question. 2. Inform learners of objectives. Clearly communicate the learning goals. 3. Stimulate recall of prior learning. Connect new information to learners' existing knowledge. 4. Present the content. Deliver the material in a clear, concise, and engaging manner. 5. Provide learning guidance. Offer support through examples and practice. 6. Elicit performance. Encourage learners to apply their knowledge through activities. 7. Provide feedback. Offer constructive feedback on learner performance. 8. Assess performance. Evaluate learner understanding through quizzes or tests. 9. Enhance retention and transfer. Help learners retain information and transfer their skills. Illustrative examples. Bringing session plans to life. Example 1. Customer service training. Learning outcome. Learners will be able to handle customer complaints effectively. Activity role-playing scenarios where learners practice resolving customer issues. Gagne's event, elicit performance, provide feedback. Example 2. Software training. Learning outcome. Learners will be able to use a new software program proficiently. Activity hands-on exercises where learners complete tasks using the software. Gagne's event. Present the content, provide learning guidance. Example 3. Leadership training, learning outcome. Learners will be able to apply effective leadership styles. Activity group discussion analyzing different leadership approaches and their impact. Gagne's event. Stimulate recall of prior learning, elicit performance. The importance of a detailed session plan, ensuring clarity and consistency. A detailed and well-structured session plan is crucial for ensuring clarity and consistency in training delivery. It provides a roadmap for the trainer, outlining the key topics, activities, and timings. This level of detail helps prevent omissions, ensures smooth transitions between activities, and maximizes the use of training time. A detailed plan also helps trainers stay on track and avoid veering off on tangents or spending too much time on one topic at the expense of others. Moreover, a detailed session plan is essential for maintaining consistency, especially when multiple trainers are involved. It ensures that all trainers are delivering the same core content, using the same activities, and assessing learners in a standardized manner. This consistency contributes to a more cohesive and effective learning experience for all participants. Conclusion: session plans, a cornerstone of effective training. Session plans are indispensable tools for trainers who aim to deliver engaging, effective, and impactful training sessions. They provide a structured framework for organizing content, designing activities, and assessing learner understanding. By following the steps outlined in this guide and incorporating Gagne's 9 Events of Instruction, trainers can create session plans that maximize learner engagement, knowledge retention, and skill development. A well-designed session plan is an investment in effective training and a key ingredient in achieving desired learning outcomes. It reflects a trainer's preparedness, organization, and commitment to providing learners with a valuable and enriching learning experience.